Hi, welcome to the Ross Farm here in Basking Ridge, New Jersey. During colonial times, this site had a lot of interesting people living here, which is why it's on the federal and state of New Jersey Register of Historic Places. In fact, one of those folks was a president before George Washington. Elias Boudinot was a president of the Continental Congress before our nation was officially founded. In those early years of our country, other well-known and influential people lived and grew up here too. Over time, it continued as a working farm, but also became a place for wealthier families looking for a peaceful retreat. In 1952, Ned Ross bought the property and eventually raised 5 children here with his wife, Margaret. When Ned passed away in 2005, the Somerset County Park Commission bought it from the family and ensured it would be available as an open space. Soon after, a local group of friends and neighbors began to create public events and open the gates. Word began to spread about the magic of the Ross Farm. It's a fun place to visit and volunteer. Music, art, theater, and history comfortably blend together here. The serene and picturesque landscape offers beautiful vistas throughout the year. The Ross Farm magic nurtures the Giving Garden, too, and its volunteer corps, who grow food for the local VA and food banks. The spirit of joy and accomplishment achieved through working together has been the hallmark of the Ross Farm and will continue to be as we find our path in the future. So if you want to find out more or volunteer, visit us on Facebook, Instagram at RossFarmBR, or rossfarm.org.